Last class we are discussing about the divisibility rules. They are completed from 2 to 10. Okay, what is the divisibility rule of 2? To divide with 2, the given number must be an even number. Okay, how we confirm that a given number is an even number or not? By looking at its units place. For example, we have a number like 346. Is this number is an even number or odd number? 346 is an even number. How we confirm that? By looking at the ones place. In ones place we have the 6. Okay, 6 is an even number. So 346 is an even number. For example, if we have the 768 is also an even number. 865 is an odd number. How we confirm that? By looking at its units place. By looking at its units place, 865 is an odd number, 760 is an even, 768 is an even number, 346 is an odd even number. Okay, by looking at its units place, we will confirm that it is an even number or odd number. Okay, to divide with 2, the given number must be an even number. And it is only divide with even numbers. Okay, next, what is the divisibility rule of 3? The divisibility rule of 3 is the sum of all the digits. Sum of all the digits in the given number must be divisible by 3. Then the whole number is divisible by 3. That is the divisibility rule of 3. Then next one, 4. The divisibility rule of 4 is the last two digits. Last two digits, which means that ones place and tens place numbers are divisible by 4. Then the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Next one is 5. Divisibility rule of 5. The divisibility rule of 5 is the last digit of the given number must be 0 or 5. 0 or 5. The last digit of the given number is 0 or 5. Then it only divisible by 5. Next one is divisibility rule of 6. What is the divisibility rule of 6? A number which is divisible by 2 and 3. It has to be divisible by 2 and 3. It must be divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Okay, next one is 7. We don't have proper divisibility rule for 7, so leave that. Okay, next one is divisibility rule of 8. What is the divisibility rule of 8? The last 3 digits. The last 3 digits of the given number. What are the last 3 digits? Ones place, tens place, and hundreds place numbers are divisible by 8. Then the whole number is divisible by 8. That is the divisibility rule of 8. Okay. Next one is divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9. The same. That what is the divisibility rule of 3? That will be the divisibility rule of 9. In the place of 3, we need to replace with the 9. Okay. The divisibility rule of 9 is the sum of all the digits. Sum of all the digits in the given number is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 9? The sum of all the digits. Sum of all the digits in the given number is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by the 9. That is the divisibility rule of 9. You have seen in last class, right? Then last one is 10. What is the divisibility rule of 10? The last digit must be 0. Last digit of the given number must be 0, then it only divisible by 10. That's what we have seen in the last class. Okay, but those are the divisibility rules from 2 to 10. Okay, next one is divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11 is very important one, and it is we need to concentrate some basic points here. Okay, we have some process to find whether the given number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, we have the first. We will see with an example. I have a number 7843. 7843 is the given number. We need to check this number either it is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, what is the number? Given number. Given number is 7843. This is the given number, right? What we need to do here, we need to check that the number 7843 is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, in that we have the process. The last digit of the number given number. What is the last digit of the given number? 3. Okay, last digit of the given number is 3. 3 is subtracted from its previous numbers, which means that 7, 8, 4 minus 3. Last digit of the given number is subtracted from its previous numbers. Okay, what is the last digit here? 3. 3 is subtracted from its previous numbers. If we subtract 3 from 784, then it will be 781. Okay, next one. Next one. What is the last digit? Again with the result 1. 1 is subtracted from 8 minus 1. Then we get the 77. Is that 77 is divisible by 11? Yes. So 7843 is divisible by 11. Okay. What is the divisible of 11 means that last digit of the given number is subtracted from its previous numbers. The process will be continued until we get a 2-digit number. Finally, we got a 2-digit number, right? Okay. If the 2-digit number is divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. Okay. We'll see that another example. Okay. Another example is 8, 4, 5, 6. 8, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Given 8, 4, 5, 6. 8, 4, 5, 6 is the given number. We need to check that 8, 4, 5, 6 is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, which means that we need to, what is the process of divisibility of 11? Last digit of the given number. Last digit of the given number is subtracted from its previous numbers. What is the last digit here? 6. 6 is subtracted from its previous numbers. 8, 4, 5 minus 6. Okay, 6 is subtracted from 845. 6 is subtracted from 845. If we subtract 6 from 845, it will be 839. The process is continued until we get the 2-digit number. Here we have the 3-digit number. Again we have the extra 1 digit here. That digit will be subtracted from these 2 digits. And it will be 83 minus 9. Until we get the 2-digit number, we need to repeat the same process. Last digit is subtracted from its previous numbers. Okay. If we subtract 9 from 83, we get 74. Is that 74 is divisible by 11? No. 74 is not divisible by 11. So 8, 4, 5, 6 is not divisible by 11. Not divisible by 11. Okay. Let's see what is the divisibility. What is the divisibility of 11? Okay. Last digit of the given number. Last digit of the given number is subtracted from its previous numbers. Last digit of the given number is subtracted from its previous numbers. Okay. The process will be continued until we get 2-digit number. Until we get 2-digit numbers. Until we get 2-digit number. If that 2-digit number, if that 2-digit number is divisible by 11, so the whole given number is divisible by 11. It is the divisible rule of 11. See that process? That is the divisible rule of 11. The last digit. What is the last digit in the 783? 7843. 3 is the last digit, right? The last digit is subtracted from its previous numbers. What is the last digit here? 3. 3 is subtracted from 784. We get a 781 as a result of subtracting last digit 3 from 784. Then and then we get the 781. We have to repeat the process until we get the 2-digit number, but we have the 3-digit number, right? Again we have the extra 1 digit. That digit will be subtracted from its previous number. The same process will be continued until we get the 2-digit number. Okay, 781. In 781 we have the last digit is 1. 1 is subtracted from again its previous numbers. 781 minus 1 will be 77. 77 is divisible by 11, right? So the 7843 is divisible by 11. Okay. Next we can see another example. 98 94 779. Okay. What is the given number here? Given number is 94779. Okay. What is the divisible rule? Last digit. What is the last digit here? 9. 9 is subtracted from its previous numbers. Then 9477 minus 9. Okay. Then we get the result is we will subtract 9 from 94779. It will be 9468. Okay. 9468 as a result. Again we have the 4-digit number. We need to repeat the process until we get the 2-digit number. Again last digit is 8. 8 is subtracted from its previous number. 946 minus 8. Last digit is subtracted from its previous numbers. The process will be continued until we get the 2-digit number. Okay. 938. 938 will be 93 minus 8. It will be 93 minus 8 will be 85. 85. 85 is divisible by 11? No. 85 is not divisible by 11. So 94779 is not divisible by 11. Okay. 9 is subtracted from its previous numbers. 9 is subtracted from its previous numbers. It will be okay. 9. What is the last digit here? 9. 9 is subtracted from its previous numbers. It will be 9468. 9468. Okay. Again 8 is subtracted from its previous number. It will be 938. Okay. 8 is subtracted from its previous numbers. It will be 85. 85 is not divisible by 11. So finally 94779 is not divisible by 11. Next we will send another question. Eight two three 504. Okay. Again, what is the given number here? 823504. Okay. Last digit of the given number. What is the last digit of the given number? 4 is subtracted from its previous numbers. Last digit 82350 minus 4. Last digit is subtracted from its previous numbers. That will be 823. If we subtract subtracted from its previous numbers. It will be 8, 2, 3, 4 minus 6. It will be 8, 2, 2, 8. 8, 2, 2, 8. 6 is subtracted from 8, 2, 3, 4. Then again 8, 2, 2 minus 8. It will be 822. 8, 1 will be 4. 8, 1, 4 will be next. We subtract 8, 1 minus 4 will be 77. Right? 77. It will be 77 is divisible by 11, right? So 8, 2, 3, 5, 0, 4 is divisible by 11. 11. Okay. What is the process here? Last digit of any number, last digit is subtracted from its previous numbers. Last digit is subtracted from its previous numbers. The process is continued until we get the 2-digit number. Last digit is subtracted from its previous number. Last digit is subtracted from its previous numbers. Last digit is subtracted from its previous number. The process is continued until we get the 2-digit number. If the 2-digit number is divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. That is the divisibility rule of 11. Okay. Pause the video and note down the problems. Okay. Next one is divisibility rule of 11. The divisibility rule of 2. Next one is divisibility of 12. Divisibility of 12. Divisibility of 12 is okay. If the number is divisible by 3 and 4, if the number is divisible by 3 and 4, then the number is divisible. It is also divisible by 12. The number is divisible by 3 and 4, then it also divisible by 12. A number is divisible by 3 and 4, then it is also divisible by 12. Let's see an example. Eight, 4, 9, 3. 9, 3, 8, 4 is the number. We have to check that number is divisible by 12 also. Okay. What is the divisibility of 12? Given number is 9, 3, 8, 4. What we need to check? We need to check whether the number is divisible by 12 or not. To check whether the number is divisible by 12 or not, what we need to follow? We need to check that the number is divisible by 3 and as well as 4. First one we have to check with the 3. Then we have to check with the 4. What is the divisibility of 3? The sum of all the digits, which means that 9 plus 3 plus 8 plus 4. The sum of all the digits. The sum of all the digits must be divisible by 3. What is the sum? 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 24 is divisible by 3 because 3 ones are 3, 8s are. It is completely divided by 3, right? So it is divisible by 3. Next one is divisible rule of 4. What is the divisible rule of 4? The divisible rule of 4 is the last two digits. Last two digits of the given number must be divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 ones are. Last two digits are divided with 2, right? 4, right? Then it is divisible by 4 also. So 9384 is divisible by 12. And the number is divisible by 3 and 4, then it is also divisible by 12. Second question. 6, 9, 4, 8. 6, 9, 4, 8. Okay. I have to check the number is divisible by 12 or not. The given number is 6, 9, 4, 8. 6, 9, 4, 8. What we need to check? We need to check if the number is divisible by 12 or not. To check if the number is divisible by 12 or not, we have to check with two numbers. One of those numbers 3 as well as 4. We need to apply divisible rule of 3 as well as the divisible rule of 4. What is the divisible rule of? What is the divisible rule of 3? The sum of all the digits. The sum of all the digits. What are the digits here? 6, 9, 4, 8. 6 plus 9 plus 4 plus 8. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. 19 plus 8, 27. 27 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes. 27 is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 nines are. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Next one is divisible rule of 4. What is the given number here? 6, 9, 4, 8. In 6, 9, 4, 8, what are the last two digits? 4 and 8. These 4 and 8 are completely divisible by 4. So, it is also divisible by 4. So, it is divided with 3 as well as 4. So, the given number, okay, 6, 9, 4, 8 is divisible by 12. Okay, what is the divisible rule of 12? Okay, number which is divisible by 3 as well as 4, then it is also divisible by 12. Next one you can tell me that. Is that 8724. Solution. Given number 8724. 724. We need to find that number is divisible by 12 or not. First one we have to check with the 3. Next one we have to check with the 4. Okay. First we have, what is the divisible rule of 3? The sum of all the digits. The sum of all the digits. 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes. 21 is divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21. So it is not. It is divisible by 3. Now next one is 4. We have to check with the 4. The last two digits are 2 and 4. 8, 7, 2, 4. With the last two digits. The last two digits are divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, 6, 7. S. Last two digits are divided with 4. So 8, 7, 2, 4 is also divisible by 4. So 8, 7, 2, 4 is divisible by 12. Divisible by 12. Next. Another question. What's the question? 8465. 8465. Directly we can say that 8465 is not divisible by 12. Directly we can say that. Why we are saying that? Because we are checking with the 12. 12 is an even number, but 8465 is an odd number. To divide with an even number, the given number must be an even number. Other than even number means that if the given number is odd number, it is not divisible. So directly we don't need to check any process, we don't need to do any process. Directly if we have the odd number, when we are checking with an even number, we can directly write that 8465 is not divisible by 12. Okay, that is what we have seen in previous classes also. Okay, to check with an even numbers, to check the divisibility rules of even numbers, the given number must be an even number. You have to remember that. That is the most important point. Next one is 9834. 9834. What is the given number? Given number is 9834. 9834 is an even number. So we can do the process. Okay. First one is we have to check with the 3. Next one is we have to check with the 4. What is the divisible rule of 3? Sum of all the digits. 9 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4. What is the sum? 9 plus 8? 17. 17 plus 3? 20. 20 plus 4? 24. 24 is divisible by 3 or not? 3 ones are 3 8s are. As it is divisible by, as it is divisible by, okay, as it is divisible by 3. As it is divisible by 3. But now come to the divisible rule of 4. 9834. The last two digits are divisible by 4? No, because 3 1 4 1 are 4 8 are 32. We get the remainder 2, right? 34 is there. We get the remainder is 2. That's why it is not divisible by 4. So it is divided with 3, but it is not divisible by 4. So 9834 is not divisible by 12. Okay, that is the divisibility rule of 12. The first divisibility rule of 12 is what? The numbers must be divisible by 3 as well as 4. It has to be divisible by 3 and 4. If the number is divisible by 3 and 4, then only it is divisible by 12. That is the divisible rule of 12. Okay, pause the video, note down all the problems.